everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you how to make healthy smoothie, peanut butter, oatmeal, banana smoothie. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Those are the ingredients I will be using for today's recipe: banana, oatmeal, ice, milk, peanut butter, vanilla. Adding the milk, I'm using whole milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. Oatmeal, ice, vanilla, banana, peanut butter. Blend until smooth. Don't forget to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Now, tip for the day: how to decorate your cup for a great presentation. What you're gonna do is use a teaspoon full with peanut butter, drizzle inside the cup. There you have it. Great presentation for any occasion of your choice. Have it, guys. Look at that. Thank you for your precious time. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.